There you have it, freshly washed. I know I didn't give any befores, but that's okay. I got a short out there with a before. She was pretty nasty. I don't know how to get that off. Maybe DRC David Pike could tell me how. It looks worse on camera than what it is, but I know he spent some time doing it. And Dave, me and Laura, we're praying for your dad. Just to let you know. And so we're getting the race trail ready because it needs it. This side was pretty green, but it's all good now. Big Duke. But yeah, we got a points weekend. We got a points day next week, so gotta check her out. Oh look, tires are still aired up. You guys that run tubes, I don't run tubes. No way. Tube get in there all crooked, knock you out of balance, and knock you off the track. So I just have to air those up a little bit. They've been sitting since the week before Thanksgiving, so they did all right. Even in the cold, when Mother Nature came down here for Christmas, we didn't invite her, but she came. So we'll have to charge batteries during the week. I have batteries for the winch right in there, that battery, and some racing gas in that battery. Clean a window, look at that. And yep. Yeah, I'm excited. 2023 racing season. Actually, it began on the night of fire a month and a half ago, but that was a screwed up ordeal. I think you saw my last video, or one of those videos. And but we're gonna whip out the practice tree this week and hit it a few times. 900,000 times, you know, because I'm only going to hit the tree about 9 times that day. It's all good. And then there's this guy. We're still waiting on some parts for the heads. And it's just been a royal pain. Hence the name Project, or you know, Problem Child. There it goes. We haven't done much to it. Motor's under there, still orange. And trying to give it a little bit of an update of what's going on. Going to put out some more content. We want to run this at the No Name Nationals. Like I said, if this thing runs a 1250, 1260, I guess I'll be happy in a quarter mile. We'll see. Got a lot of converter, got good gear, so we'll see what we can get out of it. What is that? Backwoods Performance got one of these too, so I invited him. I didn't call him out, but I invited him to a little purple 66 purple on purple crime. He seemed to be okay with it, so maybe if he needs 200 more subscribers approximately, so that would be cool. Check him out. We need a cleaning. It's a maintenance on the Jeep Wife vehicle. The fenders, the clips were broke, so we had to repair that yesterday. And then I got her some louvers for the hood, and I installed those, cut them out, installed those. You can see that. She's got a little video on that on Jeep Wife. She just does little things. If you want to like her channel, subscribe. She's not worried about trying to get to 500 or anything like that. She just likes to share some of her life. So anyways, let's see if we can't turn you guys around. Hello there. So anyways, I think this year I want to try and lose a few lbs. I need to, just to feel better. So I have a goal. I don't know what it is yet, but I have a goal. No resolutions, just goals. Other goal is to be out more with this guy. Get a few bracket races in at the local track, see if we can get that tree back down if we can. And maybe we'll hit some SFG races or something, because they're pulling a lot of them over in Bradenton now, so I can do that. And yeah, like got nothing else right now. It's been pretty quiet as far as the car front goes. That's the wife's. She's forgotten all about that car because of that dang old Jeep out there. And but shame on her. She gets 24 miles to the gallon in it, and I go in it and I ruin that because that's how I roll. Not the gas mileage king, but so anyways, yeah, holidays are over. I hope everybody had a great Christmas and a great New Year's, and I hope, well, let's get this. I hope everybody, well, that ain't gonna work. So anyways, I wish everybody well. Let's just do that. Hope to meet people at No Name, but I'm gonna concentrate on points and some regular bracket races. And we've already registered for No Name, so that's pretty cool. We've even reserved a room because we're not bringing this, so I can't sleep in it. My wife's not roadkill like that. She's a glamper. So, anyways, all right, just a little update of what's going on. Got to do some more housekeeping in the race car program. Like I said, I'll pull out the practice tree. Actually, it's hooked up. I just got to go do it. Maybe I'll do a short on that to let you know how bad I really am. And all right, I hope to see everybody's video. I'm enjoying the No Name National videos coming out. I think that's pretty cool. Maybe later on we can do a call out with somebody. I don't know. I'll talk to my wife and see if she wants to do something on that line. And because the car will definitely be ready this time, because we've already driven it. It's got about 100 miles on it, and I just didn't like what was going on, so I pulled it out before we had problems. So and I'm rambling. Awesome. Anyways, we will put out another video shortly, maybe a short or two during the week, and I'll definitely have a race video from next Saturday. Just to let you know, it's like 78 degrees here. I hate it. But we're supposed to get cold again. I believe Saturday is going to have some good air. It's going to be like a high of 68. So I'm hoping for a 119 60 foot and maybe running the 550s. So we'll see how that works. All right. Everybody have a great, blessed week, and we will catch you later.